What if a simple 90-second routine upon arrival could prevent 99% of RVing disasters? For solo senior travelers, this isn't just about convenience. It's about safety, confidence, and peace of mind. One wrong move at setup can mean a fall, a costly repair, or a sleepless night. In this video, I'm going through the complete unabridged checklist for solo RV safety. I'll cover everything from the moment you arrive to handling emergencies, managing your health, and even building a community on the road. This is a system that keeps me safe, so let's jump right in. I stop short of the pad and stay mobile. Wheel straight if I'm towing. I stay hitched. If I'm in a motorhome, phone is always on me. I haven't committed yet because the next minute decides my whole night. First, I check my escape. Can I pull out in one clean move? I look for low branches, tight poles, soft shoulders, ditches, and blind turns. If a quick exit looks risky, I ask for a pull-through or a different site now before I start backing up. Next, the ground. Ground traps rigs, not storms. I use a headlamp, not a weak phone light, to scan for ruts, puddles, loose gravel, and a steep tilt. If I need more than one stack of blocks to level, I switch sites. Now, you might be tempted to level, but the next check can save you thousands of dollars and prevent a fire. Power can be a friend or foe, so I open the pedestal and actually look. If the cover is loose or scorched, I don't touch it. I test with a simple outlet tester, then let my EMS, my electrical management system, read voltage and wiring. If anything is off, I stay on battery and call the office. I do not level or run slides until the EMS says power is clean. A 10-second check is how you avoid midnight sparks and $1,000 repairs. Water and sewer get an easy upright check. Cracked caps, cross-threaded fittings, or wet pad mean I move, or ask for maintenance. I use quick connects and a lightweight hose so I'm not wrestling weight or small threads with stiff hands. Finally, signal matters because help lives on the other end of a call. I confirm at least 2 bars for voice, and if I rely on telemedicine or daily family check-ins, I run a 5-second hotspot test. If I can't reach help, and I need to, I choose another site while I'm still mobile. Only when those checks are green do I commit. I park nose in with a straight shot to the road. Parking brake on, chocks go in with a kneeling pad, or hand-led chock to protect my back. I level first, slides come out after I'm level, no exceptions. Power only after the EMS says good, then water, then sewer. If wind is building, the awning stays in. Gusts love expensive hardware. With the rig set up, it's time to secure the inside. Now, I set the night to protect the night. Exterior motion lights on, shades down so gear isn't on display, valuables out of sight, doors and windows locked. I stage a flashlight, a light jacket, my keys, and my meds by the exit. The same spot every night. I send one check-in text to a trusted person, city, site number, all good. I don't post my exact location online until after I leave. Detectors get tested on a schedule. The pedestal cover stays closed. That's the routine that turns emergencies into non-events. But what if one happens anyway? Like storm at 2 a.m. Somebody pounds on your door. Here's the exact script. I lock the door, flip on the exterior lights. I speak through the door without opening it. Please step back where I can see you. I'm calling the office to verify. I call the campground or 911 on speaker so they can hear it. While I'm on the phone, I switch to battery and flip my main breaker off. If I smell smoke or see sparks, I keep the door locked, grab the extinguisher, and scan through the windows. If they claim their staff, I confirm it by phone before anything else. If they won't identify or step into the light, I say, I'm on the phone with 911 now, and I keep recording. Secure first, verify second, then decide whether to help or move. Free camping can turn costly fast. Flash floods don't care that it's just for one night. I never camp in a wash or arroyo. I pick higher ground with a clear exit and at least a couple of bars of service. I stage recovery gear where I can grab it fast. Generator exhaust points away from the rig. I never run a generator in an enclosed space while I sleep. In store lot overnights, I arrive late, park where allowed, leave early, follow posted rules, keep it low profile. That's how you stay welcome. Real talk for full-timers. Health problems don't wait for business hours. I refill prescriptions in 90-day chunks and keep a 1-week buffer in a label pouch. I use a national chain or mail forwarding so a refill doesn't strand me. I store digital copies of lab work and prescriptions in a cloud folder that I can open on my phone, tablet, or library computer. My phone's medical ID lists meds, allergies, and contacts. And I carry a simple wallet card with the same info. Make the rig fit your body, not the other way around. Tired hands cause bad hookups, cause leaks and trips. Add grab handles at a door and in the bath. I use non-slip mats, lightweight hoses and cords, and quick connect fittings. A power tongue jack, cordless drill for stabilizers, or a swivel sewer adapter save joints and time. Inside night lights prevent stumbles, and a step stool with a rail keeps storage reachable. Comfort is safety because it stops rushing. Breakdowns are cheaper on a calendar than on a shoulder. I replace tires by age, not by tread. I reseal the roof before a rainy season. I service axles and brakes on schedule. I carry spares I actually can use. I keep roadside assistance current and a modest home toolkit. Surprise is the real budget killer. I build a monthly sinking fund for repairs, so unexpected doesn't become urgent. I stretch dollars by staying longer for weekly or monthly rates. A modest solar battery setup cuts generator time and turns boondocking into quiet, low-cost freedom. Paperwork only matters on the worst day, so I set it up on a good one. I choose a domicile state that works for seniors. I keep redundant paper and digital copies of registration, insurance, health care, power of attorney, and emergency contacts. Freedom without rhythm becomes fatigue. I keep a simple daily flow, a short morning stretch, hydration target, and an arrive by 3 habit when I can. On Sundays, I reset laundry, water, trash, and next week's route. Routine protects the fun. What about the lonely road? 2 sentences fix it. We're new here. Anything we shouldn't miss? Then, coffee at 8, stop by. That tiny invite turns strangers into neighbors. Campgrounds already host easy wins. Potlucks, morning walks, skills demos. Awkward at first meetings? A micro host. 2 chairs and a thermos at golden hour. For remote routes, I team up and convoy with another rig. We share weather intel and keep a small group text for ETAs. Great trips don't end when the road forks. I keep a tiny contact note in my phone. Where we met, shared interests. I plan annual circuit, desert winters, mountain summers, and build small traditions. When we're apart, a quick monthly video call can keep friendships alive. And here's your end of the day mental checklist. Weather check, route check, TPMS green, fuel topped, pedestal tester and EMS on top of the bin, primary site and backup pinned, 1 check-in text sent, lock sweeped, shades down, keys, jacket, flashlight, and meds staged. That's how Solar Senior RVing stays safe, calm, and fun. If this gave you one idea that saves you time and money, keeps you safer, tap subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Click over here for more no-fluff videos about RV life. Travel smart, meet good people, and I'll see you down the road.